So y'all talk about body count and this and that, right? But would you agree that it takes two people to make a body count? So it takes a girl and a guy to make a body count.
It takes multiple people.
Okay, I understand that, but I'm saying a girl has to fuck a guy in order for the body count to be created, right?
Yeah.
If girls have high body count, doesn't that also mean that guys also have high body counts? Because it takes two to make a body count.
And how many girls do you see complaining about a guy having a high body count?
Girls don't complain because they don't care, bro.
Exactly, but guys do.
Okay, but how does that prove your point?
Because you're saying, but what if guys have a high body count? Nobody cares if guys have a high body count. No one cares.
Girls don't care because they're not desperate the way like
you're not a girl, bruv. Stop telling me what girls are. You're not a girl, bruv. What do you mean, bruv?
Only beta males care about body count. Only beta males care about body count.
And so go and marry a prostitute and be done with it, bro. Go and marry a prostitute and be happy, bruv. Like, that's it. I'm not telling you what to do,
bro.
I don't care what you do, bruv.
Are the ones who care about body count. The guys who are are the ones creating the body counts.
The fact of the matter is, no one cares if a man has a high body count, especially the women that date these guys, because guess what? Women like guys that other women like. Women actually like guys who are able to fuck a lot of women, bruv. I'm telling you this is true. Women don't like a guy that can't get other girls. Like, oh, you know, she's the only girl that he can get. Do you think girls actually like that?
I didn't say that.
Yeah, but this is the point I'm making. This is the point I'm making. It's different. Guys don't want, bro, there's no guy out. You're the only guy I've ever heard say that you would marry a prostitute or you'd wife up a prostitute. I've never heard anyone ever say that in my life.
King, I told you, when I call for a girl, it's not about sex. It's about what she can do for me non-sexually. Guys think that.
Okay, but you're gonna still sleep with her, aren't you?
In terms of a long-term relationship.
But you're still gonna sleep with her, though, aren't you?
Okay, King, can I ask you a question? How are you gonna know a girl's body count? How are you gonna know what?
You don't know, but you said you'd marry you'd wife your prostitute. Your mindset is this. No, but your mind. It's not about you knowing. It's not about
you. If you don't
bro, stop fucking talking over me, bro. You're just starting to piss me off, bro. Seriously, stop talking over me, bro, because the people watching can't hear both of us, so fall back. I said, would you marry a prostitute or wife your prostitute? And you said yes. So that means you're a knowing. I'm making it specific that you know that the girl's got a high body count, not that, you know, in the average scenario, you know, you don't really know. Like, do you know what I mean? And to be honest, as a guy, you probably shouldn't even ask a girl if she got a high body count, because she probably won't tell you the truth. But I'm saying, if you know, I'm making it specific now. If you know she got a high body count, yeah, would you be okay with that? And you're saying yes, it doesn't matter, because it matters.
What's gonna change a high body count? Or not? Okay, let's say I'm.
And now you're saying insecure guys. What's gonna change? About it. Go on.
What's gonna change?
What's gonna change? Does you're probably not gonna wife her. That's what's gonna change.
Hold on, King. So because she's got a high body count, does that mean that she won't be like a good mother, or she won't be able to cook, clean?
Okay, let me tell you what high body count.
Is that what it means?
Look, okay, you're asking me. Okay, I'll tell you what high body count indicates. Yeah, it indicates that she didn't have much self-respect for herself, because she just let a load of stop making noises by sound effects, blood.
Bro, because it sounds stupid. What do you mean?
How does it sound stupid? Because you don't understand.
King,
it's not stupid. Listen, bro.
What makes you so special,
bro? You're very immature. Because you don't understand something, that means it's stupid. That's very ignorant and immature, bro. Showing your age again. A high body count shows that she didn't really respect her sex organs, and she let loads of guys go in there. Another indicator that she must be easy. If she's got a high body count, she must be quite easy. So that's not really the trait of somebody that you really gonna want to couple up with seriously, because she's already showed a track record of giving it up very easily. So you get with her. What do you think? You're Superman? What, you think there's not other guys that probably got more money than you, better looking than you, bigger than you, that could probably charisma your girl away, bruv?
King,
don't ignore what I said. Address what I said.
Listen, I heard what you said. I heard what you said. Okay, I heard what you're saying. But what we both agreed that it takes.
So do you agree with what I'm saying,
count, right?
bruv? Do you agree with what I said?
Partially.
Okay.
But look, like I've said, we both agreed that it takes two people to make a body count. But this is what I don't understand about what you're saying and what most guys say, okay? So you want a girl to not fuck other guys, but to only fuck you. So
no, I never said that a girl has to be a virgin, bro. I never said a girl has to be a virgin, bro.
King, hold on. You're saying that, oh, if a girl fucks plenty guys, that means she has no self-respect. But how? How does that mean she has no self-respect?
Because for a woman, do you understand, for a woman, sex is more dangerous for a woman than it is for a man? Do you understand that, bruv?
King. Okay.
Do you understand that, bruv?
Oh my god.
No, you're gonna address. You're not just gonna. I'm not just gonna speak, and you're not gonna listen. Then you're gonna jump to something else. Do you understand that there's more of a risk for a woman having sex than it is for a man? Do you understand that?
Okay, that's true.
Yes. So obviously, if a woman is just out there giving her box up to every guy, she's putting herself at more risk, which means she doesn't have much self. She's not even looking after. She's not protecting herself properly, bruv. And don't tell me that she's gonna be f***ing every guy with a condom, bruv. No.
King. Okay, so if these guys care about body count, why are they going out trying to fuck the girls?
Why can't they? Oh my god! So every guy's the same. Does not make sense. Every guy's the same. Every guy is not at the same position in life. Listen, bro. Every guy is not at the same.
It's not logical.
Bro, stop talking. Shut up. Not every guy is at the same mental or position in life of what they're looking for. Some guys, they just want to pump and dump. Some guys want a girlfriend. Some guys want to get married, bruv. What are you talking about?
King, so why don't you blame the guys for going out fucking the girls? Why do you blame the girls?
I'm not blaming the girls. I'm just saying the truth. I'm just stating the fact. If you're a woman and you throw your box around and let's just say the guys you like, they know that you throw your box around, it's gonna be pretty hard for you to get commitment from them guys. That's not me complaining. That's telling them the truth. Can I ask you another question? Have you been in a long-term relationship? And you know that's the truth. That's why you're even talking. That's why you're even talking about guys. Because you know that's the truth.
Have you been in a long-term relationship before?
Oh, Jesus Christ. What's it got to do with me personally,
no,
bro?
I must ask
why?
You, bro.
I want to know why, bro. Why are you bringing it to me personally? I'm talking in general. You bring it to me personally. I'm having a conversation with you.
I'm just asking...
I've had relationships, bruv. That's all you need to know.
Long term. What's your longest?
No, longer than yours. Longer than yours.
Okay. So in that long term relationship you was in, did body count matter? Did the girl's body count matter?
Of course,
in terms of keeping the relationship together.
Of course it did.
All that kind of stuff.
Yes, it did.
How? What did your girlfriend do to you that what did she do?
What do you mean? What did she do?
I don't have to question it properly.
You're saying, you don't know what you're talking about. That's why you don't know.
What I'm trying to ask you is this, okay? I'm trying to ask you if you've ever been in a long-term relationship and how did body count matter?
Oh, Jesus Christ, bruv. You have not rebutted the things I've said. Bro, you're talking shit. Now you want to ask me, have you had a long-term relationship? How did body count matter? Bruv, I just fucking told you. Typically, if a girl is just throwing a box around, she's not protecting herself, she's not respecting herself, because at the end of the day, girls can get sex very easily, but having sex with a lot of guys is dangerous. And it also shows that she's probably going to be somebody that's very easy, and because she's very easy, she could easily be swiped away by another guy. What don't you understand about that? It's very,
okay, so what if a guy's got a high body count? What if a guy's got high body? You're gonna say, oh, girls.
No one cares. But we've all now you're going recycling. You're going backwards again. You've gone back to talk about what if a guy has a high body count. We've already been over that. Nobody gives a fuck, especially the women, bruv. So why are you asking that again?
King, do you seriously believe what you're saying? Do you know what you're saying right now?
Oh,
do you
Jesus.
Understand what you're saying right now,
I'm making another clip of you, bruh. This is crazy.
Bro, I don't believe you actually believe what you're saying right now.
This is insane. This is sad, bro. I hope you're joking, bruv. I really hope you're joking,
King. I don't believe what you're saying is true, bro.
Bro,
I don't believe you believe what you're saying.
Good luck to you, bro. Good luck, because you're going to need it.